So first, it starts with the network is an essential part of TCP/IP protocol suite, providing several key services to ensure the efficient communication between devices. So it's we are talking about again the TCP/IP and that layers. Okay. So first thing is packetizing is nothing but you encapsulate the data, nothing, payload. Payload is nothing but data. So at the sender side, source side, you encapsulate it, and at the destination side, you decapsulate it. So at the source, you basically have a header which contains the source and destination address. Then it is passed through the layer for transmission, and then at the destination, it decapsulates and delivers the data to the appropriate layer, that is network layer. See, it ensures the data is delivered to destination without modification. Necessary. Routing is nothing but again guiding the data. So we have multiple paths. So we have to guide the route, the optimal path, find the path so that the data is delivered to the destination in an optimal path. So it uses calls and routing tables. It helps to routers to determine the best route based on various distance, cost, and congestion. So key point you can see predefined paths are there. It helps in getting predefined paths before actual communication starts, ensuring efficient reliability. Forwarding is same as your actual WhatsApp forwarding, where you transfer packets from one input interface to another interface based on the destination address. It uses following tables to send the packet, and it is like decision based on the address, and forwarding the real-time process of moving packets to a network of the destination. Error control is here actually limited, so error control only can happen in the header. So how it is happening is nothing but you add a checksum to the header, which will ensure the integrity of the header's information. Error in the data are typically handled by protocol. So upper layer protocol are used to handle the errors in the upper layer, and also these upper layer protocols are used for flow control maintenance. In a sense, nothing but same as your first model definitions, where uh, owned by the sender when it sends a load of data like that. So although the network doesn't directly implement but it relies on upper layer protocol to manage this aspect. See, it is ensures main smoothness of data generally handled by protocols above the network. So is nothing but managing the volume of data. Okay, so to prevent overload. So this process is nothing but it keeps on monitoring the data flow and can drop packets whenever necessary. In the sense, if the congestion is too high, it will just drop the to avoid congestion. So proper congestion is required to prevent network collapsing by managing traffic efficiency. So last two things is quality of service and security. Quality of service is nothing but the network's ability to provide better services to the selected network. So it uses some parameters are there which are implemented in the upper layers to ensure smooth handling of the multimedia and application. Key points are nothing but it is critical for applications requiring reliability and timely data such as video conferencing. So security again it involves protecting the data from unauthorized access and ensuring data integrity. Uses protocols like IPSEC, IP security for to provide services like encryption and authentication. Security is essential for protecting data during transmission across unsecured networks. So this is a key point.